What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Passion Outdoors. In today's video, we fished a Lake James Winter Trail tournament. This tournament ran from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock, 5 fish limit. Today's conditions were real gloomy. It rained on and off, and it was real cloudy. Luckily, it wasn't freezing cold, so it was bearable. Out there in the rain while it's 30 degrees is not ideal. So it was like 50 or 60. I can't remember. This was last weekend, but just another tournament for y'all. Hope you enjoy it. We do catch a pretty good amount of fish in this video, so there's really no dead spots. If you end up enjoying this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Passion Outdoors.
These empties, Lord, as soon as I find where they lay, tied off them jolly and leaving mines on a long hot summer day. And for every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. Oh, towboat picking up barges on a long hot summer day. A gal in Pekin, she's a good old gal, okay. Oh, she's sitting there waiting by a window fan on a long hot summer day. For every day I'm working on the Illinois River, get a half a day off with pay. Oh, towboat picking up barges on a long.
All that activity. There's one. Little.
Oh gosh.
Hit?
Yeah. Oh!
I
see them.
They're all over this point. Guys. Well guys, it's 9:25 right now. We've caught one fish so far. He wasn't the keeper, he was over there on a drop shot on them docks. But we have had so many short strikes. I've got my whole bait stolen. Dad's got his tail stolen 2 or 3 times. I just missed another one. I don't know what they're doing, but I know the last video y'all saw where we got on them with a swim bait in the back of the pocket. That's where we are right now. But it seemed like they bit better when there was a little bit of wind. And as you can tell, there's no wind at all. But we figured with these clouds, it might make them bite instead of the wind. They're biting, they're just not getting it. That's our problem right now. Just sling it out there and just let it hit the bottom, just slow roll it. The water temp is 51.3, so it hasn't changed much. But we're gonna keep fishing. We're hoping. I think was there a chance of wind?
Yeah, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock, there's supposed to come some wind, so hopefully that'll make them bite, or just at least get it. If we get these fish that we're getting to bite in the boat, we might have a daggum good bag, but we're gonna keep fishing, see what happens. We've changed a lot of stuff up. They were short striking the white, just taking the whole bait and taking the whole tail. So I switched to a little bit different color. We got short striked again. So I don't know, we're just gonna keep fishing, see what happens.
Well, let's take this hump.
I don't care.
More of a water break up on the main channel out there.
Hmm?
Yeah, the water's got a little.
You ain't fishing up there. That
That's why we're missing them. He stomped it like a big enough. Little one. That might be why the tail's there and missing those, but moving ain't moving the meat.
You know, you better be glad you didn't hook a big one on him. This one. Your drag was locked. I don't know if I just ran it through bait fish or just got one single tick, but I just felt something. He probably had it the whole time. I just let him eat it. He ain't big at all. I don't think so. He might. I'll flip him. He's on your rod on the underspin. Yeah. He'll keep. Yeah. All right. 2-7.
He probably bit by right there where I bit that one bit.
I think he had it
Yeah.
the whole time.
You feel a little tick, and I was like, he probably got it.
And then my rod, my rod just slowly went like this.
Loaded up.
Yeah. I was like, oh. Flat the whole way through there.
That should have been the roll off. That old biggie come up right where I just stood. When I was sitting
There's
like
two of them that came up over here. It's my last casting. I'm gonna take this chest mount off.
I'm on something.
Hit.
I don't know.
Ain't no reason for big smallmouth not to be down there with all them rocks. Grass? That's a big one. Barely hooked, barely hooked.
I ain't just solid fish, dude. I ain't got no wide one. Go.
Dude, slow rolling on them rocks and then he's going, da-dunk! Rainbow shad? No, just normal. Well guys, there's a second, that's the fourth one of the day, but that's our second keeper, and that's, I don't know, let's see that, hold up. That's the fourth one of the day, second keeper of the day. Beautiful fish. Also a good keeper, solid keeper. Caught him on the little single swim bait. Different color again. But that's a really good fish. There's a little hump over here and we're just fishing around it. We saw some coming up, but slow rolling it across some rocks. And then it went to doink, and then y'all saw it. I hooked him and he didn't move. He went the other way. But that's a really, really good solid tournament fish. Hey Dad, how deep was he?
I don't know. Just put him in there and see what happens.
Alright. He might need a fin clip, but we won't put him on there yet. Second one of the day, not a bad one. Not a bad one at all.
Yep.
Good one. Talking about, boys. Good one. I'm talking about. 3. Good buck.
Was it on top of it?
Keep it on the 3, boys.
Maybe we'll scratch out a quick limit right here. There's some fish in 43. There's a fish right there. Really? Ah man, it's a medium light 6'3" rod. But yeah, it's a keeper. Largemouth. Oh gosh, it's a big one.
Boom, baby.
That's on that new swim bait I just put on.
Boom, baby.
Well, I caught the biggest one on the 6'3" medium light. And look how he ate it, buddy. Look, I knew that's how a largemouth would eat it. He just bowed it up.
Daggum, boys.
Look how he hit a hook.
I might have to put that back on.
Number
I
4.
said try 3 inch.
2 3/4.
Try 3 inch.
2 3/4, boys. Boy, this wintertime fishing's starting to grow on me.
Oh Lord.
That's a 2.5 at least. Put a quick fin clip on him, guys. And that's number 4 at what? 10:30. Heck yeah.
That's just really good swim bait, huh?
Yeah, on the glow in the dark head.
I'll be back now. Oh, that's good.
Alright guys, so it's 11 o'clock right now. We got 3 more hours to fish. So far we haven't been doing too bad. We've caught 6 fish all day. The first spot we went to was a stretch of docks where you saw me catch that one on the drop shot, which wasn't a keeper. There was fish schooling out there, but we just couldn't get them to bite. So we came over here to where we've done good past Sunday. And we started doing immediately a lot better. We've got 4 fish in the box within an hour and a half. And the last one I just caught, that largemouth, was a pretty good one, and the other smallmouth was a pretty good one. So we're not doing too bad. We got 3 more hours just to get one big one. That's really what we need. We're just gonna keep running these pockets like this. We'll definitely hit this pocket a lot more. We're probably about to leave unless we catch one pretty soon. But we're gonna come back here later, hit this, hit that hump over there, hit a few more points in this pocket. The funny thing is, like, we're right across from the boat ramp. We didn't even need to put gas in the boat or nothing, but we're gonna run a few more pockets, scan around, see if we can't find a big one. I think once that wind starts to pick up, they might start biting really good. But the water temp still, it's came up a degree. It's 52.5 right now. So we'll see what happens. Seems like our depth range that we can find them in is 30 to 35. Out in that vicinity, it's like 50 over there. And you'll see them suspended in 35. Like right here is a perfect example. We're in 36 feet right here. And there's a fish right there on the bottom. See how it's the yellow's the bottom, and that little red stripe, that's a fish sitting there on the bottom. But yeah, they're in here. A key thing again is just trying a lot of different baits. We've caught all of our fish. Not all of them were on different type of baits, but we've caught them on a lot of different colors of some baits and different sizes as well. So we're just gonna keep fishing a little bit, looking for one more big one. That's all we want. I think I know what's up. This morning, yeah, I saw that. You biggin'?
I don't know. Big one out there.
Well, guys, Dad just caught. We just moved to a new spot. Like I said, another cove. There's a little secondary point that runs out here. I got bit, and then Dad just caught one. So I don't think he'll keep. We're gonna see right here. Will he be our limit fish? If he bend out straight, I'll tell you. He will not be our limit fish. But it might be a good sign. I got bit, then Dad got bit. That's our 7th fish of the day, I'm pretty sure. You know that guy from Sexville?
Told you. That might be a keeper there. Right in here. Please keep.
I don't think you will.
Huh?
No.
Damn it. Oh my God.
Hit him hard.
What is going on with these little ones? Iron around him and everything. Another little one, guys. Starting to rain again. We got about an hour and a half probably. Might want to put this thing up. Come on, you better keep. Damn it. Josh just left him.
That one's for you, Josh. I mean, he swallowed it. Well, guys, it is 12:38 right now. We got about an hour and a half left, but Dad just caught another one. Another short. He's bleeding real bad. He swallowed it, but we came back to where we was doing good this morning. We're probably gonna stay here the rest of the day. We just really need one more. We can't get away from them little ones, and we really need a 2-pounder. It seems like it's tough on everybody pretty much, but we'll see it weigh in, I guess. Hopefully we can either get a 2-pounder or just a really big one. This rain might make them bite a little bit better as well. So, see what happens.
They'll probably be up there about 3:15. Alright, I'll let them know right quick if you got tied up. Alright, man. Sweet. Trying this approach.
Yeah.
I say we try this another time too. Right back up there at that point right there.
I'm getting hit right now. I don't know. Largemouth, he'll keep. No, it's a smallmouth. Thank you, Jesus.
That ball.
Did you see how I let him eat it?
$8.31.
About this close.
Those were our best 3 of the day, guys. We weighed in 8:31. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. We ended up weighing, I think it was 831, so not terrible, but definitely didn't do no good in the standings. But still a fun day out there. Caught a lot of fish. It was a really a buzzer beater there at the end. Caught the last fish at 1:30. I was real frustrated. I had so many short strikes, and then I finally let that one eat it. I said, I'm getting big right now, and then like 6 seconds later, I finally set the hook. But it was a real fun day out there. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit me with the like button, hit me with the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on Paj Outdoors.